don't they have all that black clothing on? Nice to meet you too.
Hey, turn.
Well, I'm going to show you around. Okay. I felt like they were kind of welcoming in like who the hell are you type of way.
All of her tattoos all over, and she was in a wife beater.
She had a wife beater on. Like, yeah, California, I have a wife beater on.
There's a smock for you.
Alright, so how come I have all this stuff on?
The tattoos, you know, they're beautiful and all, but it just doesn't work here. We have to look all very polished.
I don't really give the polish to the video, honestly.
Why don't I find you something better? But it's black and covered.
If I don't like it, I'm not wearing it.
As Ladies Assistant Claire is going to get Dana clothes for next door. Black clothes.
This is changing her look a little bit, altering it.
Dana doesn't seem as willing as I would have liked her to be, but we can change that. Dana,
I have tattoos in there permanent. You know, there's nothing I can do about it.
we got this for you. You can put this over. You don't have to button it up.
Ooh, say hi.
There's Jack Salon.
Hi, Daddy.